Connecting your Oyster card to Google Pay is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, ensure your Android device supports NFC and has Google Pay installed. If you haven't already, add a debit or credit card to Google Pay that you will use for contactless payments. Make sure the card is issued by a bank that supports Google Pay. Open the Google Pay app on your Android device and follow the prompts to set up Google Pay. Add your payment card by scanning it with your device's camera or entering the card details manually. To pay for travel in London using Google Pay, simply hold your Android device near the yellow card reader at the start and end of your journey on buses, trains, the London Underground, DLR, London Overground, and some national rail services within London. Ensure you tap your device on the card reader both when you start and end your journey to ensure you're charged the correct fare. You can view your travel transactions and payment details through the bank's mobile app or online banking portal.